If you've lived in Silicon Valley during the tech boom and have enjoyed meeting up with friends and coworkers for drinks, then there's a good chance you're familiar with the Duke of Edinburgh. The pub is an icon in the area, and it also happens to be located right across the street from another well-known icon. Open 365 days a year, the Duke has witnessed a lot of history, and over the years, it's been a favorite of both locals and visitors.
My name is Stan Gamble. I'm from England, and I came here in 1980. I'm one of the original owners of the Duke of Edinburgh. The whole pub was made in Suffolk in the southeast of England, shipped over here in two big containers. Nearly everything was imported from England, even the paint, the wallpaper, even the light fixtures. The pub is modelled on the West End of London Theatre District, which is a very expensive pub, and you don't really find it in very many places outside of the West End of London.
The Duke serves up traditional pub dishes including fish and chips, shepherd's pie, bangers and mash, and other pub favorites. If there's a big soccer game on, like Champions League or the World Cup, you'll find it here, along with the friendly crowd.
It just so happened we started building this in 1983. The Queen of England was visiting Hewlett Packard, which is now where Apple's new spaceship is. Her husband is named the Duke of Edinburgh. So since they were visiting, we thought we would call it the Duke of Edinburgh. So he was a pretty good looking dude in those days, and so we thought we'd put his photograph on our sign outside. Unfortunately, the Duke of Edinburgh that they sent us was Queen Victoria's third son, which is a pretty ugly looking dude. So that's who's on the sign outside. And we actually opened on October the 31st, 1983. Unfortunately, our lease has now expired, and they're proposing to put a boutique hotel here, and they're offering us space to move literally across the parking lot.
The Duke's current location will be closing soon, but it will be reopening in a new retail space in the same Cupertino Village Plaza, with hopes of keeping its charm.
Apart from that, we've just had a good time, and a pub is basically short for a public house, which means where people go to meet, mainly to drink and to talk. It was basically a place where people come to meet and have a chat, and obviously have a few.
Thankfully, there is still some time to catch a piece of this history, or join them at their new location as they keep their tradition alive. Cheers!
Cheers! Or as you say in England, mud in your eye.